matter. So I think the environment is the most important to our life. You know, the environment is more and more polluted, and it affects to us a lot. And the question is, what should we do to protect the environment? One of the things that pollutes the environment is plastics.
You're right. What does plastic affect on the environment and our lives? How do we reduce plastic and what are the solutions? So our presentation today is plastic pollution.
Imagine taking a walk along the beach, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet, and listening to the gentle rhythm of the waves. But as you're walking, you see lots of plastic bottles and plastic bags on the beach. What an alarming sight! Plastic pollution. When do you know the effects of plastic waste on our living environment? And can you share to everyone?
Yes, of course. There are some negative effects of plastic waste to our environment. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced every year for use in a wide variety of applications. Plastic pollution is a widespread problem affecting the marine environment. It threatens ocean health, the health of marine species, food safety and quality, human health, coastal tourism, and contributes to climate change. Hui, what are impacts on marine ecosystems?
The most visible impacts of plastic debris are the ingestion, suffocation, and entanglement of hundreds of marine species. Marine wildlife such as seabirds, whales, fish, and turtles mistake plastic waste for prey. Can you talk about the impacts of food and human health when
Microplastics have been found in tap water, beer, salt, and are present in all samples collected in the world's oceans. Recently, microplastics were found in human placentas, but more research is needed to determine if this is a widespread problem.
toxic contaminants also accumulate on the surface of plastic as a result of prolonged exposure to seawater? The transfer of contaminants between marine species and humans through consumption of seafood has been identified as a health hazard and research is ongoing. What about impacts on tourism?
Plastic waste damages the aesthetic value of tourist destinations, leading to decreased income from tourism. It also generates major economic costs related to the cleaning and maintenance of the sites. And now can you tell us about impact on climate change, please?
Plastic pollution contributes to climate change. If plastic waste is incinerated, it releases carbon dioxide and methane from landfills into the atmosphere, thereby increasing emissions. However, when do you know that each of us can make a difference?
Of course, by raising awareness, changing our behaviors, and advocating for policies that promote sustainability, we can turn the tide against plastic pollution. These are some things we should do to reduce plastic pollution.
Firstly, we have to prevent plastic from entering rivers and seas in the first place. This could be accomplished with improved waste management systems and recycling. Better product design that takes into account the short life of disposable packaging and a reduction in manufacturing of unnecessary single-use plastics.
We shouldn't rely on single-use plastic, whether it's refusing plastic straws, opting for reusable bags, or choosing products with minimal packaging. Every small change in our consumption habits can add up to significant reductions in plastic waste. What is the next way?
Secondly, we must prioritize recycling and proper waste management. Recycling not only costs a valuable resource, but also helps prevent plastic from ending up in landfills or polluting our environment. You can continue with.
Furthermore, we must hold corporations and policymakers accountable for their role in the plastic pollution crisis, from phasing out unnecessary plastic packaging to implementing expanded producer responsibility schemes.
But perhaps most importantly, we must foster a culture of environmental stewardship and collective action. By educating ourselves and others about the impact of plastic pollution, we can amplify our impact and effect meaningful change. Do you agree with me, Nguyen?
Yes, I also believe that communication is key to solve the problem of plastic pollution. We need to talk to each other about the importance of reducing plastic waste and protecting our environment. By raising awareness and sharing information, we can inspire others to take action and make a difference. Have you done this, Hui?
Yeah, I started talking to my friends and my family about plastic pollution and what we can do to help. We've started using water bottles and bags, and we will sure to recycle as much as we can. It's a small step, but every little bit helps.
Exactly, Hui. Small action, big effects. Being students, we have contributed to making the environment around us cleaner, and our school, Nguyễn Secondary School, cleaner and more beautiful. In conclusion, the fight against plastic pollution is a battle we cannot afford to lose. It requires the concerted efforts of individuals, communities, and governments worldwide. So, through our presentation, I hope that together we can make a difference and create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Let's reduce plastic to save our environment. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.
Congratulations, you did a great job, right? And you seem to care very much about the environment. So a question for you is that if your mother often uses plastic bags whenever she goes shopping, what will you do?
I think I will talk to her about the plastic pollution and the effects of it, and I will talk to her less using reusable bags and everything, because plastic is a bad make for the environment.
Thank you very much. Now you can go back to your seat, right? Thank you.